Your worth isn't measured in likes, but you've forgotten that, haven't you? Every day we trade authenticity for applause, selling pieces of our soul for the currency of clout. We now trade truth for views, wisdom for virality. Clout has become the altar, and many sacrifice their souls to be seen. The algorithm doesn't feed minds, it feeds addiction, and many youth are starving of identity in a buffet of nonsense. Throughout human history we've sought meaning in community and shared wisdom. Now we seek it in endless scrolling. Not everything is content, not every moment is for applause. We are losing reverence for pain and calling it entertainment. They think they are free, but they dance to the strings of approval. Likes are the leash, views are the cage. This digital servitude represents a profound shift in human consciousness. Not everything is content, some things are sacred. Don't trade your soul for a view. If the crowd is clapping, it doesn't mean you're right. The real ones don't shout, they serve. They build in silence. They choose purpose over popularity. Some build silently. They are the true revolution. What are you becoming for attention? Who are you forgetting to be? This isn't just a video, it's a mirror.